Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety and correct meter configuration. Put on goggles and gloves and remove metal jewelry. A short can be dangerous. Next, set your multimeter to DC volts. If it has a 20V range, choose that for 12V batteries, otherwise use auto range. Once done, identify the battery's nominal voltage so you know expected readings, and clean the terminals with a wire brush to ensure reliable contact before you touch the probes to the posts. You now perform the measurement and interpret results. Place the red probe on the positive terminal and the black on the negative, keeping steady contact. A poor connection gives false readings. Read the resting voltage, roughly 12. 6 volts indicates a full 12V battery, about 12. 2 volts around half charge and under 11. 9 volts is likely discharged. If the battery was recently charged or used, make sure to let it sit for 1 to 2 hours so the surface charge dissipates and the voltage stabilizes. You finish by checking how the battery behaves under load and addressing problems. Apply a load test or connect a known draw device and observe the voltage drop. A healthy battery drops slightly but recovers, while a weak one collapses quickly. This tells you about internal capacity. If voltage falls rapidly or the battery won't accept charge, suspect sulfation, a bad cell, or a faulty charger. If things go wrong, first recheck connections and fuses, then verify alternator output in vehicles before replacing the battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.